How to analyze system logs for OS troubleshooting. Have you ever wondered how to get to the bottom of an operating system issue? Analyzing system logs is a key step in troubleshooting. System logs are like a diary for your operating system, recording events that can help you identify and fix problems. Let's break down how to analyze these logs effectively. First, it is important to know the types of logs you will encounter. In Windows, you can use the Event Viewer to find logs categorized into application, security, and system logs. Each category captures different events. For Linux or Unix systems, logs are usually stored in the directory named log. Here, you will find files like syslog, dmesc, and authlog that capture system messages and events. macOS combines Unix-based logging with its own system log framework, which you can access through the console application. Now let's get into the steps for analyzing these logs. Start by defining the problem and the time frame when it occurred. This will help you narrow down your search to specific entries in the logs. Next, filter by severity and event type. Look for logs marked as error or critical, as these often point to the root of the issue. Warnings can also provide helpful clues. To make your search easier, use search and filtering tools. On Linux, you can utilize command line tools like grep. In Windows, the Event Viewer has built-in filters that allow you to isolate relevant entries by keywords or error codes. As you analyze the logs, correlate events across different logs. Problems may involve multiple components, so comparing logs from related services can provide a broader context. For example, if you are troubleshooting a web server issue, check the logs for both the web server and the database. Next, identify patterns and anomalies. Look for repeated error messages or unusual spikes in resource usage, such as CPU or memory. These can indicate underlying issues that need attention. Performing root cause analysis is also essential. Trace the sequence of logged events leading up to the failure. Consider any recent changes made to the system or user actions that may have contributed to the problem. If the standard logs do not provide enough detail, you may need to enable debug or verbose logging temporarily. This will capture more diagnostic information for targeted services. Finally, document your findings and take action. Use the insights gained from the logs to apply fixes, whether that means replacing faulty hardware, updating configurations, or patching software. Different operating systems have unique log formats and tools, so becoming familiar with each system's logging mechanisms is vital. For instance, Windows Event Viewer provides structured event IDs, while Linux logs are often plain text and requiring command line parsing. Analyzing system logs can help troubleshoot hardware failures, software crashes, security breaches, and performance issues. By understanding how to read and interpret these logs, you can detect problems early and implement effective solutions, leading to improved system reliability and security.